Welcome, here I've got UMIDIGI S3 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. Let's start by sliding up to the menu and pick the camera app to open it. For now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's tap on this button, the second from the left, to get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's focus on this button. Here we can manage aspect ratio of this camera. We are in 4:3. When we tap on it, we can change it to 16:9. As you can see, the background has changed to the longer one. Another tap to this button from the left and to this one, and we go back easily to 4:3, the original one. And this is how to change this here. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.